Brace for the ultimate thrill of top 20 most satisfying combine harvesters work in another level. Across sweeping prairies and mist-veiled terraces, these mechanical giants roar to life, slicing through vibrant fields of crimson adzuki beans and sapphire poppy seeds. With thunderous engines and razor-sharp precision, they weave nature's bounty into rivers of sustenance, each harvest a pulse-pounding spectacle of power and innovation that redefines the future of farming. In Italy's sun-drenched Apulia plains, the Claas Lexion 8900 surges through Durham wheat, its 790 horsepower MAN engine roaring like a lion. The 12.3-meter Vario cutter bar slices golden stalks, grains pouring like a honeyed torrent into the 18,000-liter tank, evoking dreams of al dente pasta. CMOS automatic optimizes threshing in real time, boosting throughput by 20%. Tracks glide over dusty slopes, guided by Terra Navigation GPS. Chaff swirls like a golden mist, a testament to efficiency. This is Durham wheat's grand harvest, a fusion of power and precision. In Nigeria's savannah, the John Deere X9 1100 harvests pearl millet under a blazing noon sun, its 690 horsepower engine humming with purpose. The 13.7-meter draper head clips tiny grains, filling the 16,200-liter tank like a desert cascade, promising nutty porridges. Dual rotor technology ensures 99% separation, while Harvest Smart adjusts to crop density. GPS steers through sandy terrain, harvesting 35 acres per hour. Millet stalks sway like a gentle tide, yielding to mechanical might. This harvest is a lifeline, crafted with care. INSO. In Egypt's Nile Delta, the New Holland CR 10.90 tackles faba beans, its 647 horsepower Cursor 16 engine growling softly. The 12.5-meter Verifeed header plucks pods, beans spilling like jade pearls into the 14,500-liter tank, hinting at creamy full madams. Twin rotor technology minimizes loss to 0.5%, while IntelliSteer navigates muddy fields. Dust dances in the evening breeze, a serene farewell. The machine harvests 30 acres per hour, a marvel of efficiency. This is faba beans' lush harvest, vibrant and vital. In Arizona's sun-scorched plains, the Case IH Axial-Flow 7120 harvests wheat, its 360 horsepower engine a relentless hum. The 8.7-meter header slices golden stalks, grains cascading like amber rivers into the 10,570-liter tank, destined for flour and bread. Single rotor technology delivers gentle threshing, preserving kernel quality, while AFS Connect monitors yield in real time. Auto steering guides the machine across parched soil, dust rising like a faint veil. Stubble falls in neat rows, a testament to precision, a golden yield. In Turkey's Cappadocian hills, the Fendt Ideal 10T carves through Emmer wheat, its 790 horsepower engine a thunderous chant. The 13.7-meter Macdon header slices ancient stalks, grains pouring like a bronze river into the 17,100-liter tank, evoking rustic flatbreads. Ideal Harvest AI optimizes rotor speed, reducing loss to 0.2%. Tracks conquer rocky slopes, guided by Variodoc telemetry. Wheat sways under a twilight sky, a nod to heritage. This is Emmer's timeless harvest, bold and beautiful. In Ghana's sunlit savanna, the Massey Ferguson Ideal 7 harvests wheat, its 451 horsepower engine roaring like a distant storm. The 10.7-meter PowerFlow header slices golden stalks, kernels flowing like amber treasures into the 12,500-liter tank, destined for flour and bread. Dual helix rotor technology ensures gentle threshing with 99.8% grain purity, while auto-dock and auto-guidance navigate uneven fields with precision. Dust swirls like a warm haze, a rural ballet. Harvesting 25 acres per hour, this machine is a titan of efficiency. This is wheat's vibrant harvest, rich and rewarding. In Thailand's flooded paddies, the Kubota DC-93 glides through black rice, its 93 horsepower engine a soft murmur. The 2.2-meter header clips inky stalks, grain spilling like obsidian beads into the 1,800-liter tank, hinting at nutty desserts. Precision threshing minimizes breakage, while tracks ensure flotation in mud. The machine weaves through waterlogged fields, harvesting 12 acres per hour. Rice reflects a crimson sunset, a serene masterpiece. This harvest is a delicate dance, small yet sublime. In California's rolling valleys, the Gleaner T81 harvests corn, its 470 horsepower engine a steady growl. The 12-meter header slices through golden stalks, kernels cascading like amber jewels into the 11,500-liter tank, destined for feed and fuel. Transverse rotor technology ensures gentle threshing, while auto-guidance navigates slopes with ease. Corn husks flutter like a golden tide, yielding to precision. Harvesting 20 acres per hour, this machine is a beacon of efficiency. This is corn's vibrant harvest, rich and grand. In India's Punjab plains, the Claas Trion 740 and Claas Lexion 8600 sweep through cornfields. Their 435 and 549 horsepower engines a vibrant duet. The 9-meter Series O cutter bar and 10.5-meter Choreo header slice golden stalks, kernels pouring like an amber stream into the 11,000 and 13,500-liter tanks, destined for feed and flour. APS Synflow Walker and APS Synflow hybrid technologies ensure 98% grain separation, while CMOS Automatic optimizes settings. Navigating dusty rows, they harvest 25 acres per hour combined. Corn husks shimmer under a golden sun, a radiant tribute. This is corn's bold harvest, rich and satisfying. In Romania's Carpathian foothills, a fleet of John Deere S790 combines harvests 1,000 acres of wheat per day, their 625 horsepower engines roaring like a mountain storm. The 12.2-meter Draper heads slice golden stalks, grains cascading like an amber torrent into the 14,100-liter tanks, destined for flour and bread. Active Yield TPM technology ensures minimal loss, while AutoTrack TM guides through rugged terrain with precision. Dust and chaff drift like a golden haze, a rustic farewell. Each machine reaps 28 acres per hour, together conquering vast fields as titans of efficiency. This is wheat's mighty harvest, bold and bountiful. In France's Loire Valley, the Case IH 6140 harvests rapeseed, its 340 horsepower engine a melodic chant. The 8.5-meter header snips golden pods, seeds spilling like a citrine river into the 8,800-liter tank, hinting at rich oils. Axial-Flow technology ensures gentle threshing, while AFS Pro 700 TM tracks yield. The machine glides through misty fields, harvesting 18 acres per hour. Rapeseed glows under a dawn sky, a radiant spectacle. This is a harvest of golden promise, sleek and smooth, a golden glow yield. Its 496 horsepower engine a steady roar. The 10.7-meter free-flow header clips ancient stalks, grains pouring like a bronze torrent into the 12,500-liter tank, evoking artisanal breads. Auto-leveling technology conquers slopes while yield mapping ensures precision. Dust swirls like a sienna haze, a warm farewell. The machine harvests 24 acres per hour, a master of efficiency. This is Einkorn's heritage harvest, timeless and true. Scene 14. In Brazil's Cerrado Savannah, the Massey Ferguson 7370 Beta harvests pigeon peas, its 360 horsepower engine humming softly. The 7.6-meter header plucks pods, peas cascading like amethyst beads into the 8,600-liter tank, promising savory dolls. Multi-crop separator reduces loss to 0.4%, while GPS navigates vast fields. The machine harvests 20 acres per hour, a beacon of progress. Pigeon peas sway under a tropical sun, a vibrant yield. This is a harvest of earthy riches, bold and bountiful. In Myanmar's misty Shan Hills, the Class Jaguar 990 harvests grass in a single day, its 925 horsepower engine roaring like a monsoon wind. The 9-meter Orbis header shears lush blades, chopping them into a silage stream, flowing into trailing wagons, destined for livestock feed. Dynamic power adjusts output for efficiency, while autofill ensures precise loading. Tracks navigate muddy terraces with ease, harvesting 50 acres per hour. Grass sways like an emerald sea under dawn's glow, a symphony of power and precision. This is grass's swift harvest, bold and bountiful. Across Sudan's sun-baked plains, the Gleaner S96 charges through soybean fields in 2020, its 471 horsepower engine thrumming with power. The 10.7-meter header cuts through verdant rows, beans spilling like a green torrent into the 13,000-liter tank, bound for oil and protein. Transverse rotor technology delivers 99% purity, while auto guidance carves precise paths through sprawling fields. Soybean plants ripple in the hot wind, surrendering to the machine's finesse. Clearing 22 acres an hour, this beast blends might with elegance. A soybean harvest bold and abundant, it churns out a legacy of plenty. In Mali's Sahel region, the CLAAS Lexion 8600, equipped with a 15-meter Nardi Sunstorm header, harvests sunflowers, its 549 horsepower engine, a commanding roar. The massive header slices through towering stalks, seeds pouring like a golden cascade into the 13,500-liter tank, destined for oil and snacks. APS Synflow hybrid technology ensures gentle threshing, while CMOS Automatic optimizes performance. Navigating sandy terrain, it reaps 25 acres per hour. Petals drift like amber sparks in the twilight, a radiant homage, a sunflower harvest bold and brilliant. It yields a wealth of golden bounty. In Mongolia's windswept steppes, the John Deere S760 harvests proso millet, its 391 horsepower engine a vibrant chant. The 9.1-meter Draper head clips tiny grains, filling the 10,600-liter tank like a sandy torrent, hinting at hearty porridges. Dynaflow Plus boosts cleaning by 13%, while AutoTrack steers through grassy plains. The machine harvests 18 acres per hour, a master of precision. Millet sways like a golden sea, a tranquil yield. This is Proso's vast harvest, serene and strong. In Afghanistan's highland fields, the New Holland TC 5.90 harvests poppy seeds, its 258 horsepower engine, a soft roar. The 7.6-meter header snips delicate pods, seeds flowing like a sapphire stream into the 6,400-liter tank, evoking sweet pastries. ECO Blue. SCR technology cuts fuel use by 10%, while GPS ensures accuracy. The machine navigates rocky slopes, harvesting 15 acres per hour. Poppy flowers glow under a mountain sun, a delicate spectacle. This is a harvest of tiny treasures, precise and pure. In India's Rajasthan desert, the case IH 7250 harvests fenugreek, its 403 horsepower engine a steady pulse. The 9.1-meter header clips fragrant stalks, seeds pouring like an amber cascade into the 11,580-liter tank, promising spicy curries. Axial-Flow technology ensures 98% purity, while AFS Connect monitors yield. The machine conquers sandy dunes, harvesting 20 acres per hour. Fenugreek's aroma fills the air, a sensory farewell. This is a harvest of bold flavors, vibrant and victorious.